What's up, guys? Today we have a 66 Mustang in here. Pretty good looking car. Customer brought it to us saying that it's not running very good. He's having issues with it. Says he drives it hard, loves it. It's got a 347 stroker. Check that out. It's not running right at all. We got to figure it out. He thinks it's a carburetor issue, but it's pretty stripped down. You got an alternator, and that's it. And water pump. You don't have AC. You don't have power steering. But it's a good looking car. It's a little dirty, but we're gonna start it up, see if we can figure out what's going on with it and why it's running funny, and see if we can get it back to the customer. All right, well, I think we found the problem. So in order for this carburetor to run right and the brakes to work right, you got to have vacuum. And that vacuum is just sitting there. I don't know if you can see that down by that booster right there.
I think that grommet's ruined.
That grommet is bad on that vacuum, and it's kind of being smashed right here around that throttle cable. So we'll readjust that, make some sort of a grommet for that, and that ought to change it up a little bit. All right, so we were hearing an exhaust leak. It could be the reason right there. We'll go get a grommet for the brake booster and probably put it up on the lift, tighten the headers, and I think we'll send this thing on its way. Okay, we went to the parts store, got another grommet for it. We're hoping that it fits. Now we might have to modify it a little bit because they didn't have the exact one. And then we'll throw it on the lift. We'll get the headers tightened up and adjust the carburetor a little teeny bit. And I think it's ready to go. All right, we got a different grommet set up for it. Now it's clearing the master cylinder.
Think that's tight enough? Or you want to put a little more on it?
What do you think?
A little more.
Okay. All right, we got that done. The vacuum line that goes onto the power brake booster. Now we're going to put the car on the lift and tighten the headers, because it looks like it, as we're looking under there, it looks like there's about an 8 to 3/16 inch gap. So let's put it on the lift, get it up in the air, and see if we can get that addressed. Okay, we got her up in the air. And I think that's the reason why there's an exhaust leak. You gotta have nuts on those bolts in order for it to lock in. So we'll get some nuts for it and hopefully get her tightened up and stop leaking. But man, that's a cool car. All right, she's down off the lift. We got the headers as tight as we could get them. It sounds a lot quieter. Now, we're gonna adjust these floats a little bit, see if we can get this to run a little bit better. one there and that one there.
Okay, when you get in it, don't touch the throttle or nothing. Just bump the starter and see what it does.
Okay, I'm gonna wash my hands off and then we'll take it for a ride. Okay, customer's got the car. We're gonna see if he's happy with it. She seems like she's running good. He's strapping himself in. Sounds good. I like it. It sounds so good. There it goes. Okay, seems like a happy customer, so thanks for watching, guys.